I have to put on now.
Don't read the mark. Don't read.
Hello guys, today we are doing the challenge what's inside the box. Is that what we call it?
Yes.
Oh, this is the first time we're doing it, but we're doing a very special one, so let's get to it. Alright, so this is Dave and he's first.
Hello guys.
So you got the blindfold upside down, if you know that.
Really?
Alright, just leave it like that, yeah? Alright, so we got the this is what's inside, and if you can get it, if you're thinking what it is, then you're right. That is what you think it is. Okay, you can start and tell us what it is.
I probably know. I just think I'm right. I think I'm right. Is it something? Something in my boy? To my boy? Is it related to my boy?
Yes.
Okay. By the manufacturer, I can't spell it. I'll show right now. It's the baby poops. But anyway, good. So am I right?
Yes.
No, really nice.
Yeah, it's kind of disgusting.
I think I'm gonna put
So he gets the first one, now it's the second one, and this is what it is. Let me show you exactly. Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Steady? Let's go, let's try it. I'm a bit worried because of the first one already was like... what this can be, guys? Is something disgusting? Wow, what is... Is it jelly? Some kind of jelly stuff? I don't know.
You don't know.
No. But it feels like really something.
So you give it up?
I'm really giving it up.
I'm giving it. What is it?
It's a chicken.
Something, a piece of chicken basically. It's a piece of chicken. It's a tail?
It's like
It's a lamb.
No.
Feels like S on the
Yes.
Feels like S on the
S.
chicken. Is it?
Yes.
Otherwise, to be honest, my grandfather really loved it. It's the best part of the chicken.
So this is Rebecca. Now it's her turn to guess what's inside. No. Pick it up. Yeah. I don't think you kind of guessed it on the first time, so you didn't kind of get it. But yeah, you guessed awesome. Another one. Another one. Hold on.
Now?
Yeah, go.
Paprika.
Ah, you guessed it.
Okay, that was easy.
One more, hold on. There's another one there. Alright, go.
Tape.
It's kind of easy. So, but now we're going to the hard one. Okay, so we've got another item on there. But this is what it is. So if you don't know, guys, this is what it is on here. Okay, give me 1 second. Go.
Nugget.
No.
Is that soap?
Wow! Yeah, that's dope. Nice. Great!
Yes. So now it's turn. Eddie? Yes. You can go now. Yes.
Oh. What the hell is that? It looks like it is like let me open it. No way. For real? It's a tampon.
Yes.
Oh my god.
This is in nose. When you breathe, that is big in your nose.
Yeah, but when you got blood from your nose, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I guessed it, didn't I?
Yeah, good.
So I was like, shit.
Dad, can I choose?
So now is next round. Yes, Eddie, you can. Now is your turn.
Yeah, again.
Yes, yes.
Oh, it's
Yes, it's inside.
Oh shit, no, why is it this? Don't tell me it's a poo again.
No.
What is it?
Something.
Oh no. What is it? It's a poo.
No.
No.
Something disgusting.
It's something to eat. It's a food, so you don't need to be worried about it.
It's a cheese.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So this one is more difficult for you.
Oh, is that? You think
Yes.
so? I bet
Yeah.
I'll get it straight away when I touch it.
Nope.
Can I go?
Yes.
What the hell? Oh, see? I can guess it because I touched the bottom.
Mhm.
And so everybody knows it's a pie.
Yes.
It's
And which pie?
Which pie?
Yes.
Well, are you gonna eat this?
No.
Well, that's the pie you see in American Pie. It's apple pie.
No. No.
Cheese pie.
No.
American Pie.
No.
Hold on. What is this? It feels like apple. It feels like apple.
No.
Oh my god. Chocolate pie? Banana pie?
No.
Strawberry pie?
No.
I don't know pie.
Meat pie.
Meat pie!
Yes.
Let me
Okay.
see this shit.
It's actually beef pie. It's a steak one.
I've never seen a meat pie before.
It's a chicken pie, actually.
Okay.
Oh, is it beef pie?
That's my last go, isn't that?
Yes.
Oh, I like this video actually. Make sure you subscribe.
You can eat now.
No, I don't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian.
Oh.
I'm joking, I'm not. But I eat just chicken.
Okay.
So now it's Susan's turn. She's the one that came up with this idea, so we're gonna make a special one for her. Let's
Oh
go.
my God, I'm scared.
Hold on. Okay, the item is inside. You can go.
Yes. Food.
That means ew.
Is it chicken?
Yeah. It's not that difficult, right? So we found an item for you, and it's this. Let's see if you can guess it.
Go.
Go.
Can I go?
Yeah. Sorry if my hand's a bit shaky, guys. If you're on this on the
Pass.
phone.
No.
No, what's inside?
Oh. Is that jelly?
Jelly? No.
Oh, it's egg.
Yeah. It's egg. Yeah. Now we got one more. It's a little one.
Make a one.
Yeah. It's a little one. What do you mean?
So you need to
Go on.
Go.
Don't worry.
Spider.
No. No, it's nothing like that. It's nothing live. It is kind of live, but not that
food.
live.
I'm scared.
Don't worry. Just slowly. Slowly. No, don't worry. Don't worry. It's nothing. It's nothing that will hurt you that much.
Little bubble?
No, no, it's not spider. It's nothing. No insects. Go on.
try the other hand. I'm going to try it one more time or give it up. It's a grape. It was just a grape.
Yeah, it was just a grape.
Widzisz, że Hanna ja. Go on.
It's just a grape.
Yes.
So is that it?
Yes.
Alright guys, it's not a long video, or maybe the best, but it was kind of funny. So if you like the video, like or subscribe. On which channel please?
It's Luxury channel. It's Luxury Irish.
Alright.
See ya, guys.
Yeah.
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 Let's.